Welcome everybody to Design by Peck. In this video, I'm changing out a leaking P-trap underneath the sink of the kids' bathroom upstairs. It's a fairly simple fix. I've got just purchased the kit at Home Depot. I'll have a link hopefully down below of what I bought. Two things to look out for in this video are the tapered gasket that is used at two ends of the P-trap. The narrow end of that tapered gasket goes towards the pipe opening and it flanges outwards, and so make sure that the two gaskets, at least that I used, that you'll probably have to use, is done that way, and that's going to help contain the seal and contain the water and seal it. The second thing to look out for is in the P-trap itself, there's a long end or long flange and then a shorter one. And what you want to do is make sure the long straight one attaches to the vertical pipe from the sink. Other than that, it's a fairly easy fix. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave your comment down below. Let me know your thoughts or things I could have done differently or better. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Thank you. Hello everybody, this is my P-trap that has been leaking. If you saw there closely on the bottom there for a second, you can see the mold that's coming from the drip there. So I'm going to remove this. I went to Home Depot. I bought this package right here. I'm going to have the link to this package in the description below. But there are just a few parts here. It's just PVC pipe with some seals and gaskets. And so now I just remove it with my hand. Easy enough. I'll get a better angle here. I did not need to use any pliers or any grips of any type, just loosen with my hand. You can see a little bit came out here when I did that, the one end of the P-trap. And then this one kind of just slid off. And then if you see here, there's this sink got clogged a lot. So there was a lot of hair and gunk there in the sink. I put some water to drain it out a little bit. But now I want to kind of remove the stopper so I can get some more of the hair and gunk out from the pipe. So you remove the that vertical flange thing that removes it from the stopper, which just moves up and down. There's a ball kind of in the middle of the pipe. I unscrew that right there, and it just kind of pops out. And you're going to see here. There's some gunk on it. I'm going to show a picture of this gunk over the sink. It's kind of gross, but I probably should have cleaned this out a long time ago, even before this P-trap needed a repair. So I'm taking now that out, and so I don't have a great angle here, but I have a still frame of how much it's kind of clogged and how it didn't drain very well. So I just grabbed a coat hanger and I just went up and down the pipe. I pushed some down into the bucket below. I pulled some out from the top just to completely clear it out. So this is now kind of clog free. It should drain just fine. And now I'm going to put that back in. I'm just moving it up and down now to see what's closed and what's open, just to get myself familiar with it. And then I put the this back on to fit it or keep it in place right there. And then I'm going to reattach it to that vertical flange, and there's a kind of a clip that you pinch with your thumb and your index, or at least I use my thumb and my index to make it so that it can slide over top of that metal rod. And then when you let go of it, it kind of clamps it in place. So it's kind of a very simple, nifty little part that will kind of lock it in place so it doesn't come undone. So I put that back together, tested it, made sure it went up and down as I expected it, and it does. There we go. There's the picture of it. Alright, so now I bought that new PVC pipe. I've got to cut it to size because everyone's going to have their own different lengths and distances. I only had this saw, maybe not. I didn't have a PVC pipe cutter at the time. I do now, but when I did this video, I didn't. So I just cut it off to length. I filed it to get the little pieces of PVC pipe off, so it wouldn't go into the drain or anything. And then Here you can see I put the red gasket, and then above the red gasket I put the threaded adapter. And so if you took a close look, that gasket is narrow on the bottom. So you put the narrow part towards the opening of the fitting, and it flanges outward as it gets higher up on the pipe. And that's what you do in general with those flange or those angled threads. And so you're going to see it here. I put the angled gasket here, and you notice so the opening's obviously on the top there, and that's where the narrow side is, and then it flanges or it angles outwards. And so I'm going to put this now on the fitting in the wall there. And for those that are astute, you're going to notice that my P-trap itself is on backwards. I have the long end attached to the PVC pipe coming out of the wall, and the short end was supposed to go to the sink, and that's backwards. So here we go. I'm fixing that. It really easy fix. I didn't have to do too much to fix this. So now that I'm attaching the threaded adapter right there where the sink drain is, I am now tightening the PVC pipe coming out of the wall, and then the junction there, I am going to be tightening that to attach the two pipes together. I did not use any Teflon tape or any kind of sealant other than the gaskets that it came with the package. So I don't think you'll need it. I mean, maybe some people will, but in my case, I didn't need it. So here I am. I'm testing it. I'm filling up the sink with water. Then I'm going to drain it. You can't see it obviously, but it's draining, and there's no leak, and we have fixed the problem now. Perfect. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you think I could have done something better or differently, please let me know. Please like and subscribe to the video, and I will see you at the next one. Thank you.